In this video, I will show you how to replace a fuser on an HP LaserJet 3015. Let's get started. If you are getting smudges on your pages and it's not being caused by the toner drum, then you need to replace the fuser. Turn the printer around. Open the rear door. Remove the door arm and remove the door by prying on the side with a screwdriver. Remove these 3 screws that hold the back cover on. Remove the back cover. Remove this plastic piece. Remove the power supply cover. Remove the fuser power connector. Remove these 2 connectors. Remove the 4 screws that hold in the fuser. Remove the fuser. Here you can see what's causing the smudging issue. Here is what a new fuser looks like. Slide in the new fuser. Screw in the 4 screws. Reconnect the 2 cables in the fuser power connector. Install a plastic piece. Install the power supply cover. Install the back cover. Install the 3 screws. Reinstall the rear door and reconnect the door arm. Shut the rear door. Reinstall the toner and print a test page. That's it. You're all done.